Are you looking to increase your Etsy sales? Well, in today's video, I'm going to walk you through the very simple and exact steps that I took over the last 30 days to help me bring in an additional $1,500 in revenue on my low ticket store during one of the slowest months of the year, which is June. So let's go ahead and dive into those very simple steps that you can implement on your store right now today to get those sales exploding. Here we are on the sales and discount section of my Etsy dashboard, and if you aren't taking advantage of this part of your Etsy store, then you are missing out on a lot of extra sales. So you can get here by clicking on the marketing tab on your left hand side and then sales and discounts. You're going to see at the top here there's the option to run a sale or create a promo code. Now I do both of these. See at the top it says a special offer can help grow your business, whether it's a seasonal sale, a promo code for a discount, or a targeted offer. We are at summertime now, and this tends to be a slower time for e-commerce in general. But this is really helping me to still pump up some of the sales. Now, as you guys know, I have 3 Etsy shops. One is a mid-ticket. It is around $250 to $400 in that store. This is one of my lower ticket shops. And as you can see here, over the past 30 days, I have gotten 55 extra sales at an average order value of $16.58 from running sales and discounts. If you watched my other video on Etsy ads, you will know that I recommend bumping up the prices in your shop in order to still get the price that you want while running sales and discounts in order to bring more traffic to your store. Those 55 orders resulted in $1,400, and we're going to take a look at everything here that you can do. So if you're running a sale, I like to do these 1 to 2 days at a time. I think over the past 30 days, I ran about 15 sales. So how you do that is simply click Run a Sale, and then it's going to allow you to select your percentage off that you want to do. Now you can do this on every item in your store, or you can just do this on a handful of items. I personally do it on every single item in my store. So all you have to do is choose your discount. I've tried 10, 15, 20%, and 15% seems to be the sweet spot. Now, if you sell internationally, you can select everywhere, or you can just select the United States or whatever country that you're selling in. I personally right now only sell in the United States, and I never ever do an order minimum. I do that on every single order that comes through. It says sales can be set to run up to 30 days, but what I found really good here is 1 to 2 days, and that is because Etsy is going to put a countdown timer on the listing that your customer is looking at. It's going to let them know, hey, you only have 2 hours left to take advantage of this discount. So that is going to get people to jump into action and maybe hurry up and buy rather than letting it set in their cart for days on end and then forget about it. So we can go ahead and select the 22nd, which is today, and we can let that run until tomorrow on the 23rd, and then you can just name it whatever you would like. If it's a holiday, you can put that holiday in there for your code. I just do sale 15, but as you see over here, it does say buyers won't see this. It's just for you to track the sales performance. And then you hit continue. And what you can do now is use the drop down tab to select all of the listings that you want to include for your sale, and then hit review and confirm, and your sale is all set. And then I just come back in every day, every 2 days, and go ahead and restart my sale. Now, we can take a look at some additional promo codes that I have set up here. I have a thank you offer for customers that have purchased from me. As you can see, in the past 30 days, 150 emails have been sent for 10% off, but I am probably going to change this soon and make that 15% off. So we can see here that 568 of those were sent, those thank you coupons, and 32 customers actually came back and used that thank you coupon, and that resulted in an additional $664 in revenue that I wouldn't have gotten if I didn't encourage my previous customers to come back with this thank you coupon. Now we can take a look at the abandoned cart email. So 144 emails have been sent. If somebody adds something to their cart and they don't check out, then I'm going to go ahead and offer them free shipping. Now on Etsy, they do like you to have a free shipping guarantee, which I do have set up on my shop. And with that guarantee, if they order $35 or more, they're going to go ahead and get free shipping. But as you can see, my average order value is less than that. So I'm going to go ahead and encourage them to come check out with free shipping. So let's check the details on this. So only 3 of those were used, but it did bring back 3 additional customers for an additional $46 in revenue. I may end up changing this to a 15% discount because I don't feel that is really enticing people. And then we have a favorite item. If someone favorites an item, I am currently offering them 15% off. And before I made this video, I actually recently switched the percentage from 10 to 15% off. So there's no stats there, unfortunately, for how many of those actually converted. But now that I've changed it to 15% rather than 10, I'm expecting that that will probably bump up the conversions a little bit more. So as you can see, taking advantage of sales and discounts really can help you pump up your profits, especially in the month of June that we're in right now, which tends to be a lot more slow. So I hope these tips really helped you out. I hope you implement this in your shop today. If you do so and you notice a difference, I would love for you to share what you notice with everyone down below. Or if you've been running sales on Etsy for a while and they have helped you, definitely share with everybody as well. You know, this is a group effort here. The more that we can learn from each other, the more that everyone is going to profit. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell notification so you're notified every time I come out with a brand new video on how to increase your Etsy sales or just make money online in general. This is Angie Long. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you back soon.